Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Inside Investing. And today we've got some great news to share with you. Because yes, as you know, we've been investing in ETFs, and that's really the passion that we have. And that's really what we want to share with you as well. We really want to make ETF investing easy for you and be very transparent about how we are doing this and how you can also do it. Of course, you need to do research as well, but we really want to simplify things and make it easy for you to understand and really help you start your own investment journey as well, all around ETFs. So that's really the passion that we have. And thanks to you, we've currently hit the 100 subscriber mark. And thank you so much for this, guys. This is definitely one of the biggest achievements that we've had on this channel so far. Of course, we are expanding our portfolio in the meantime, but this one that we've currently already have 100 subscribers in this short of a period is definitely, thanks to you, one of the greatest achievements that we did not expect to already be able to achieve already so soon in the process. And we actually have just started. And talk about you, if we talk about the community as well, this is really what we want to do, guys. We really want to build a healthy community together with you and really show how easy it is to invest, so really give you the knowledge, but also build a community that supports each other. And if you've got some questions, you can always leave them down in the comments below of each and every video, and or myself or one of our buddies or one of the subscribers can respond to that and really help you out so that we can all be a little bit wealthier, a little bit financial intelligent. So really building a healthy community is what we want. So a very positive minded community that we can only build together with you. So thank you so much for all of the 100 subscribers already. And then looking at our purpose, what do we really want? What's our vision for the upcoming weeks and months and years, of course? And that's, I think, first off, the community, as we spoke about, but on the other hand, also expanding our portfolio. That's one of the most important things that we want to do. And what we've noted in the last couple of years, and that's also the reason why we started this channel, is some guys really make investing very technical and very difficult. And of course it is. If you're talking about a lot of money, it will get a little bit more difficult because you just can't really screw up too much because you're gonna lose a lot of money. But what we wanted to show is that each and every one of you can start investing with just a small amount, with just a few euros a month or dollars a month. You can already start investing yourself. And that's really the purpose that we have, is make investing specifically in ETFs easy to understand and accessible to everyone. And I think we've currently are doing that already. But of course, if you've got any tips on how we can improve our channel better or more in the upcoming weeks and months and years, then definitely leave them down in the comments below. And what we always try to do is respond to those questions, or make, in some cases, even make a video about a question that's being asked, of course. And that's all thanks to you. So really, thank you so much, guys. If you haven't done so already, then please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Also, thumbs up each and every video. That helps out supporting the channel so much. You probably might even not know how that actually works, but the YouTube algorithm really likes if you're thumbs up every video. So guys, thank you so much for that as well. And then I think if we look at the future, what is it that we're going to do first next is really expanding our open portfolio. And as you know, we've showed in the last few portfolio updates that we're doing on a very regular basis, or even talking about specific ETFs. We really show you how our portfolio is doing and how our portfolio looks like, so that you can actually mimic or at least get some more knowledge about the ETFs that we own and why we own them. Of course, each and every one of you needs to do their own research. That's one of the key basics that we've talked about multiple times on this channel as well. Do your own research. But what we want to do is really show you in a very open and honest way, make it really shown to everyone, okay, this is how we're doing it. And okay, for now it's perhaps not too much money, 1,400 euros I think it's currently at. It's not too much. But now you can at least really see the portfolio grow and really see that growth in the portfolio. And that's what we really want to show. So really have this open portfolio. And as you all know, guys, we are of course using DEGIRO. It's one of the best brokers that we've used so far. So if you also want to start investing, then definitely use DEGIRO for your investments. And guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribing for each and every one of you for the 100 subs already. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.